5 tips on how you can make the new year your healthiest year ever. Number one, first and foremost, you have to be healthy mentally, to have a grateful mindset, to express gratitude. Even if it's a small thing, we can be thankful for that. All right. Number two, I want you to exercise. How often? I want you to exercise 5 days a week. That's what I would recommend. Now, if 5 days is a little too much for you with your schedule as you try to figure that out, then at least start with 3 days a week. Then work up to your 5 days a week. Because number three, avoid sugar. Sugar, that includes soda, your pastries, that includes your energy drink, because sugar gets the body in a state of inflammation. Number four, I want you to avoid dead animal products, because dead animal products get your body in a state of inflammation also. And that includes milk, and that includes yogurt. Instead of regular cow's milk, I recommend taking almond milk or soy milk. Now, cheese is okay. I want you to follow the 80-20 rule. So that means 80% will be your veggies, your carbs, and fish is very healthy for you. And the 20% will be your meat, which is chicken, pork, or beef. And number 5 is I want you to not ignore your pain, because when the condition or the injury is new, it's more acute, it's easier to treat. Chronic conditions are harder to treat. So the body adjusts already and it's hard to heal. It's harder to heal from that. Now, those are 5 tips that I want you to follow to make this year, the new year, your healthiest year ever.